going to get the ambulance that just pulled up. That lady slipped and fell, and she said she broke her ankle.
So look, if you'd help, stand her up, and then we take the weight off that thing. I think it's going to flatten out if we get down through here. Stand up on the one foot. Put your arm up.
We're at the pillbox hike near Sunset Beach. I think it's going to be pretty hard for them to find us in here.
So, thanks so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Broken ankle?
That's
Possibly.
what she needs.
Okay.
New position.
All right, please.
Yeah, and it's Michelle and Daniel.
Okay. Thank you guys. We appreciate you.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, you're
Nice
welcome.
to meet you guys.
So that hike was kind of crazy. We passed that old couple a few times, and on the way back down it was super slippery from the rain. And Michelle's like, "Are you guys okay?" And she's like, "I think I broke my ankle." We helped her get out of there. Felt good about that. Hopefully they enjoy the rest of their trip.
I know, kind of a bummer for them.
Glad we could help.
And